Hey, hi students, how are you all? You are enjoying your holidays, right? In these enjoying days, spend some time for learn something. Don't waste it. At the same time, you have to be safe. It's very important. Okay, shall we move to our class? Let's start. Do you know tense? What is tense? The tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. It has 12 types. How many types? It has 12 types. Today we are going to learn the first type, that is simple present. It is very easy tense. At first, what is simple present tense? Well, quite simply, it is the most basic tense in English. It's very easy too. See, a tense expressing an action that is currently going on or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists, and its form is subject plus verb. Now let's take I for now and we add subject run. So the example, for example, I run. It is very easy. You just take a subject and you add a verb. This form is subject plus verb. A subject is a word like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, or names. Now let's take I for now. Let's add a verb run. So I run. Let's complete the sentence. I run. So it sounds meaningful. And another one example, he plays. You know the pronouns, right? What are they? They are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Here, for I, we, you, they, the form is subject plus verb. For example, I speak in English, we speak in English, you speak in English, and they speak in English. For he, she, it, the form is subject plus verb plus yes or es. For example, he speaks in English, we add yes in that verb. So, speak changes to speaks. She speaks in English. Next, I will teach you 4 main uses of simple present tense. What are they? This is talk about habits and routines, permanent situation, facts and states. First, let us learn habits and routines. For example, I drink milk every morning, and there you have simple present tense. Now, what does the sentence mean? Well, when I say I drink milk every morning, you know that I do the action regularly. So, you know that I drink milk on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. You can see it's repeat. So, this is a habit, and this sentence shows as first use of present tense. That is to talk about habit and routines. Things that we do regularly or repeatedly. Now it would be wrong to say I am drinking milk every morning, because this is a habit. For habits you must use present tense only. And here are some more examples. Nila visits her parents on weekend. Here this is something that Nila does every. Nila visits her parents on weekend. Here, this is something that Nila does regularly every weekend. Next example, Sri usually has dinner at 8:30 p.m. In both of these sentences, you should not use the continuous form. Remember that. You can see how frequently or how often the action happens, every day, on weekends, etc. When we talk about habits or routine, we normally use these kind of expressions. The word every, for example, it is very common phrase, like every morning, afternoon, every day, every week, every month, etc. I said I drink milk every morning. You can also use preposition like on, in. That is, Nila visits her parents on weekend. Apart from these expressions, we also called frequency adverbs. For example, Sri usually has dinner at 8:30 p.m. The word usually is a frequency adverb. And remember, when we talk about habits or routine, we don't use continuous or ing forms. And now let's talk about next use of simple present. For example, my sister lives in America. When I say that she lives in America, is that vacation? Is that temporary? Just for a week? No, it means that my sister lives there permanently. So here we are talking about something that is not going to change. So we say permanent. A common mistake is to say my sister is living in America. If you use ing or continuous form, then that makes the situation. And another one example, Chinju speaks English. It is a permanent. And talking about myself, I can say I work as a teacher. It's wrong to say I am working as a teacher.